My love. Don't worry, yeah? Everything will be okay.
I hope so. But you know I'm fine already.
Oh, yeah?
Because every time I'm with you, I forget all my problems. I told you that. You are the shining light in my life. So yeah, that's the question. Look at you. My love.
It's okay.
I am. My beautiful bride.
Yes.
It's a lie. What in God's name am I seeing here?
Brother, I've been wanting to tell you this, but I've been waiting for the right time. The thing is that Uloma and I, we are a little more than friends. And we are planning...
Shut up there! Shut up!
Olisa. Nah, this is your bushmeat today, eh? Yeah. How much is this one?
Which one?
This one, nah.
This one?
There's one soup I want prepared this evening, eh? And this one, I think is...
Calm down.
Are you not selling it?
Olisa, you see this bushmeat? It's not for sale. I'm preserving this one to give to somebody very special to me. You understand? Well, if you want to buy, you see this one here. Come and check it. This one, I can sell it to you. Check it. It's still very nice.
Iked, I like this one. Why are you showing me this one that is more? I like this one. Sell this one for me now. I'm waiting.
Yeah, okay. I can see that you are deaf. It's like something is blocking your 2 ears. Didn't you hear what I just said? I said this one. You're not serious. I won't need serious. I know. You're not serious.
Are you not selling that one?
No, I'm not selling. I'm not selling again. Bye-bye.
Iked, as make I beg you, Aguya. You just go and buy it somewhere.
I am my mother's daughter.
Hey, Chima! Hi!
Good afternoon.
Ikedi!
Mama.
Ikedi, the great hunter.
Mama the mama.
Ikedi,
Good afternoon.
you're welcome.
Hello, Mama. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Come and sit down.
No, Mama. Thank you. Don't worry. I actually came to give you people this bushmeat. So you use and cook the soup you're making this
again. Ozokwa! Hey!
Mama, take.
Ikedi again. Thank you.
Ikedi.
Jesus. Thank you.
Oh, it's fine.
This is huge, oh. Very, very huge.
Very huge, Mama.
This is too much now.
Mama, stop it. Stop it. I told you, don't mention. You see, as far as I'm concerned, nothing is too much when it comes to you and Uloma.
Hey!
Yes.
Thank you.
Even this one is small, self. Next time when I go hunting, I will bring a big one that is big like me. Yes, no.
Hey! Uloma.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Keep it inside.
Okay, Mama.
Okay.
Hey! Hey!
It's really big.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is huge, oh.
It's fine.
Look, I will make sure that after making the soup with this meat, I must bring some portion for you.
Mama, why, Ma? you keep doing this, even though there is no need to. But thank you.
What do you mean by you don't? You Ikedi, you are a bachelor, and you have never ceased to bring us meat here. And I decided that I must keep giving you soup.
Mama, there's no problem. Thank you very much. After all, we are family.
We are family. Ikedi, are you home?
Yes, who is there?
It's me, oh.
Ulo. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. Oh. Come and sit down. Come on.
No, it's okay. I brought the soup.
Ooh, wonderful. I can perceive the aroma of the wonderful meal already. Come, let's go eat. Let's go eat.
No. I have to be on my way because Mama is waiting for me so we can go to the market together.
Uloma. Uloma. What is it? Do I scare you?
No.
Look at this face. Look at this face. Do I look like a masquerade?
Of course not.
So why is it that whenever you come here, you're always in a hurry to leave? Or don't you love my company?
That's not the issue. Mama is waiting for me. I need to hurry, I will see you later. I will come back for the plate later.
Wait. Come. I understand. Tell Mama that I said I'll come and visit you guys next time when I go to the bush and get a bigger bushmeat. I'll bring for you people.
Ikedi, you're really a blessing to us.
Don't mention. Are we not family after all?
We are.
Yes, now.
Okay, let me rush on me. I'll come back for the place later.
Okay.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Little baby. Little baby. When I plan myself very well now, I will seal that union and we'll become a real family. I'm sure her mother really sent her so that I will taste her meal. It's fine. It's fine.
Uloma.
Ma?
I'm surprised we are peeling another egusi. After all we peeled last week. The speed at which we sold that egusi, I'm still shocked. And to one woman, one woman. That your customer, she really likes you.
She does, Mama. She actually bought more egusi from our neighbors too. Yeah, she resells them.
Wait, she sells egusi? That rich-looking woman sells egusi?
Yes.
Hey, how?
So she has an online store where she sells raw food items like egusi, ogbono, dry fish, dry vegetable, anything you can think of. So people from abroad, they order online and then she ships it to them.
Anyway, you see everything you just said now? Me, I don't understand anymore. My joy is that she bought all of my egusi.
Exactly.
That's my business.
Mama will soon start taking this thing for milling.
Lazy girl. Milling. Break.
Come here, neighbor. Ulo. Are you home? Uloma.
Ikedi.
Mama.
Ikedi.
Mama, good afternoon.
Ikedi, the greatest hunter.
Mama, it's good to see you. Good
How
afternoon.
are you?
I'm fine, ma. I'm fine.
Wait, don't tell me this meat is for us.
Mama, if I don't bring this meat for you people, who else will I bring the meat?
Hey.
Mama, take.
Ikedi.
Don't mention.
You will not even allow me to run out of bushmeat before you bring another one. In fact, I've practically lost count of the bushmeat you have brought to this house. Thank you.
Mama, it's fine. You're welcome. Don't mention.
This one is big, oh.
You see, as long as you people keep eating this meat, just do me a favor. Keep eating this meat. And as long as you keep eating the meat, I will keep bringing more meat. After all, are we not family?
We are. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This
Mama,
one is huge, oh.
Where is Uloma? Ulo! Ulo, I'm around, oh.
Uloma didn't tell you. I sent her to the city. I sent Uloma to deliver some food items to one of our customers.
Mama, you sent Uloma to the city? Mama, Mbano. You sent Uloma to the city all alone?
Yes.
Mbano, no now, Mama, you're not supposed to do that. Uloma is still too young to be going to the city, the busy city, alone, by herself. Mbano, Mama, it's not fair, it's not right.
Ikedi, I know you are very protective of Uloma. But you don't know that girl, oh. You underestimate Uloma. Uloma, that you know, will go to the city with those things and deliver them and return. You don't know her. Ngwano, here she is.
Ulo.
I told you. Hey, Nemo. Welcome. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. It's good to see you.
You too.
I heard Mama told me you went to the city.
Yes.
Ulo, but please, Makambosi also, because of next time, when you're going to the city, a busy place like the city, you let me know so that I will follow you now.
No, Ikedi. I know my way around. I've delivered to her twice before, so I know everything. Don't worry.
I know why I am talking. It's for your own good. But if you say you know your way around, no problem.
Ikedi, relax. No problem. I don't see what he bought for us.
Hey! Another bushmeat.
Another bushmeat.
Ah, Mama. This one is big, oh.
Very big.
Hey, Ikedi. Hi. Mama, Ikedi will suffocate us with meat, oh. See how we're just eating it like the Igwe and his household.
Stop it. Stop that. Stop that. Don't mention. Don't mention. I keep telling you people, don't mention. See, as long as Moabu Ikedi is in this village, meat is not your problem. You can't worry about meat.
Ikedi, thank you.
Mama, it's fine. You people should use this meat to cook a very delicious soup. I have to attend to a customer now. Okay?
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Yes, bye.
Mama.
Hey. In fact, I'm just enjoying.
Hi. Mama is really big.
Very, very big. I was actually doing something here.
Mama, wait. Come. Mama, you see that woman we sell to? On her phone, she showed me this app that she downloaded.
App? For egusi?
Yes, now.
Hey.
Mama, there's this app that she downloaded on her phone. In that app, she created a profile. So she posts all these food items on it. That's how she sells. Everything, she just keeps selling them out. Fiam, finish. Yes, so Mama. Hi. Mama, how I wish we had the phone. We too would download that app and start selling all these our food items. Hi, Mama. It's good business, oh.
Look, see, just forget about this whole thing. As long as she keeps buying from us, this app or no app thing is not my business.
The woman said the reason she started selling is because anytime she's traveling abroad, her friends will say, hey, oh, bring egusi, oh, bring ogbono, bring dry bitter leaf. And she now thought to herself, why not start a business? Since it's expensive there, why not just create an app so she can be carrying from here and sending it to that side? That was how she started, though. And now her business is just booming, it's going fine. Every time, sold out. Hey, Mama.
Hold on, Ma. I hope this one you are dancing. Hope you are not. Let me just tell you, as long as she keeps buying from us, it's not my business. Let her continue with whatever it is in that app you're talking about. I don't even understand.
But Mama,
it's not my business. Please carry the bushmeat and join me in the kitchen. Carry the bushmeat.
Okay, Mama.
You are started thinking again. Me, I know you.
But Mama, Hey, Kedi. Good afternoon.
Ola. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm even better now that I'm seeing your face. I'm always happy whenever I see you.
Thank you.
How is Mama?
She's fine. She sends her greetings.
Okay, no problem. Let me get you something.
No, don't worry. I will help myself. I'll come in.
Are you sure?
Yes. It's okay.
Okay. This one you came to visit me today. So what do I owe this amazing visit?
I actually came to discuss something with you. Yeah.
You don't mean it? Please tell me about it.
So I was thinking, why don't you start selling your bushmeat online?
My bushmeat?
Yeah.
Online? This one is new to me. You know, people come from far and wide to buy bushmeat from this village. I've never had anybody selling bushmeat online before.
Exactly my point.
What do you mean?
Like, just think about it.
Loma, but I have enough customers already.
Who says you can't have more and more customers? Okay, look at that lady we sell egusi to. She said when she started selling egusi, people would laugh at her and say all sorts of things. But today, the same people are coming to borrow from her. Yes. And the other day, she asked for egusi. I didn't even have to sell. I had to go to our neighbor's house to collect her own egusi and go and sell to her. You see that woman? She has everything soup item. She sells all. She's in business.
That sounds interesting, actually.
It is.
I think I'll give it a try. Yes.
That's good now. That's a good thing.
But since you're already here, let me just get you something to at least drink.
No, don't worry.
Sit down. Wait.
Don't worry. Let me go home. Mama is waiting for me.
You're the one that I want. No matter what I see, I'll be with you. Your love is so real. You mean the world to me. You're my dream come true. No matter what happens, I'm yours alone. My love, true love, what we feel is true. I love you.
Yes, ma. I've gotten the alert. Hope you've received your package. Fantastic. I told you we are fast and reliable. You don't have anything to bother. Yes, ma. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, ma. Yes, ma. Ulo.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Ulo, ma. Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm
okay.
Come. Let me give you a drink.
No. I only came to know how your business is going.
Uloma. Uloma. You suggested a marvelous idea to me. I need to give you a drink. Come inside.
That means the business is going well.
Jesus Christ. Uloma, this business is moving. It is moving.
I'm so glad to hear that.
I said people are coming from far and wide to buy this bushmeat. The demand is so high.
You don't mean it.
Jesus, look at now. Look at this.
I see your bushmeat is always sold out.
Uloma, I'm telling you, they are always sold out. All of them.
That's good now.
As a matter of fact, I've tripled down my efforts.
Is it like?
I'm telling you. I even have to buy bushmeat from my fellow hunters. Just so that I can meet up to customers' demand.
Hey, that is wonderful news, Ikedi. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
That's your fellow hunter that was arguing with you when you wanted to start this business. I wonder what he's saying now.
You see this life, This life be humble, You see that guy? You see that hunter? He came and met me and he was now telling me that I should teach him the online business.
You don't mean it!
I'm telling you! But the thing is that it's too late for him to meet up because I've taken all over the business!
Hey! This is really good though. I'm so happy for you.
Uloma, I don't know how to thank you.
Yeah.
You're just an angel sent from heaven. Thank you so much for suggesting this wonderful idea to me.
Yeah, you're
Thank
welcome.
you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're really welcome. I just wish my mother and I would be able to start up our own, so that we'll start selling soup items. And maybe from there, we'll be able to gather some small money so I can go back to school. I really want to go to university.
University? What are you doing in university? A full-grown woman like you in university? Can you hear a man in university? What are you doing in university? Uloma, what you should be focused on, you should put your focus on marriage. Don't play with marriage. Put your focus on marriage, and once you get married, you sit down and look at your husband. Whatever your husband said you should do, you do it. Your husband will decide your future.
My husband loves me. He would want me to do what I want to do to be happy. He will put me in school. I will go to the university. I must go.
Okay, if you say so, when the time comes, we will know. Yes. Just make sure you send the money to the account that is on the app. My boy is going to deliver it to your address. Exactly. Before I forget, is it antelope or grass cutter? Grass cutter. Okay, no problem. The account number is in the app. Just send the money. My boy will deliver it to your address. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. All right. Okay. Bye-bye. Yeah.
Ikedi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, yeah.
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Uloma, please. Take this bushmeat. Okay. Please prepare soup.
Hi.
Good soup.
Ikedi,
that's very sweet soup that I like.
Thank you.
Prepare it and wait in there.
Wait, Ikedi. Is it that this thing? What is it called?
The same app, Mama. App. It's the app I told you that my customer is using. I told Ikedi about it and he decided to give it a try. See, it's working. Hey!
Is it though, Mama?
Ikedi, I'm happy for you.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Good. Ikedi, I will see you later.
Well,
Okay, I'm waiting.
As for me, as long as it's working for you, I'm happy. I don't have any business with anything called app.
Mama, you don't have anything to worry about. Yeah? You see, as long as it's working for me, it's working for you people too. After all, we are one family. Sorry, excuse me. Hello? Yes. Send that meat to, Summit Junction. Yes, the madam in Summit Junction. Send it to her. Then the second meat, I need you to send it to Independence Layout. You know that my madam that has a restaurant that says she sells pepper soup. Yes, she ordered for bushmeat. So deliver the second one to her, okay? Yes. Please be fast before it gets dark. Biko Moses, Yes, okay, no problem.
Good day, ma. Pardon, ma. Yes. My brother. Hold on now. Oh, no. Good day. Sorry, I'm looking for Ikedi Okonkwo, the hunter.
Oh.
I'm looking for his house.
Oh, Ikedi. Like this, walk like this, then straight.
Like
down,
this,
yeah,
then
straight down, yeah.
Straight down.
Yes.
Left or right?
Left now. If you go like this now, left. Sorry, right.
Okay.
Sorry. Yeah.
Okay. Dalo,
Yeah.
thank you. Oh boy. Yeah. Good day. Sorry, I'm looking for Ikedi Okonkwo's house, the hunter.
Oh, Ikedi the hunter.
Yes.
I know his house. It's not far from me.
Thank God. Please, I don't know. Can you direct me?
Okay, no problem. Let's go.
Okay. Thank you, Thank you.
It's just here. It's very, very close.
Okay.
One billion, one B, 1 billion naira. 1 B, 1 billion. Arinze, how are you? What's the problem? Are you good? Kuloma, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you.
Arinze, Kevin, what's going on? What's happening? Are you okay?
My cousin. In fact, it's a long story. A very long story.
What is happening? What?
Ikedi, he was looking for you, so I decided to bring him here. I have an errand to run. I need to leave now.
Darling Norma, thank you so much. I hope your mother is fine.
She's okay.
Send my regards to her,
She will hear
okay?
you.
Bye.
Bye.
You know, it's been a long time that Mother and I visited here.
I remember. That was when your father died, But forget about that. One day, what is going on? What's happening?
Ikedi, I'm on the run, I'm on the run.
How?
Listen, our father died in a car accident.
Unbelievable. The rich, famous importer in Aba is dead. Asin.
2 days after he died, we were still mourning and crying over his death. Then his brothers came with thugs and they chased us out of the house.
What?
Out of our own house, Ikedi.
This is unbelievable. Are you serious?
Of course, you know me very well. I would always put up a fight.
I trust you.
I tried to fight them back, but me being the only son, they saw me as a target. They came with men, thugs in the middle of the night. They came after my life. I only managed to escape. I escaped through mother's bedroom window. In fact, this is all I escaped with. These clothes I'm wearing, my phone, and some money. Mother said I should run here and hide. In fact, I am still in shock over the whole things that have happened.
Arinze, calm down. Calm down, please. Just calm down. How is your mother and your sister, Ifoma? I hope they are okay.
Well, I spoke to them on my way here.
Okay.
They told me that they have been forced out of the house. Out of our own house, Ikedi.
Your father's house?
Aye.
Who does that? They chased you out of your own father's house. And this was the same thing father was talking about before he died. The village where you're from, they have a tradition. And once you're married into there, you automatically get their tradition. A man's property belongs to his siblings and not his offsprings. You know, father said our grandfather warned your mother, my auntie, about this, but she refused. As a matter of fact, she got banned from this family, from the village, because of this, and she left. This is so sad.
In fact, hearing about it and experiencing it, they are two very different things. My eyes saw my ears, my brother.
I can only but imagine what you all have been through and still going through. Ikedi, my brother, it's well. You are safe here now, okay? Relax, it's okay. Don't worry, we'll get to the root of this. Relax, you're safe here. Let me go inside and prepare water for you. You've come a long way. I'm sure you're very tired and everything. Let me go inside and prepare water for you to have your bath. Then I'll make something for you to eat. Okay? Come here with her. Go just you're welcome. Come here. Just relax. I'm coming, okay? Ha! This is serious. Unbelievable. Open nature for this one. Come open nature. Come open nature. Now your phone. Now the big one you want. See this one. This one big. This one get weight.
That one not.
You know big. But that one I first give you, he big well. What think
I don't want to take two.
Okay, two. Or if you like this one. Okay, like this one. Have small money. Not this one. Thank you. Well done. Let me take
Oh boy.
I've supplied that one. You've supplied it to the address,
They said they need I want to carry this one now to that place.
So what I'll need you to do now, take this one. Take this one. This one, okay. I've sent the address to your phone. You understand? So make sure you deliver it to the address, okay? And ask for the account number. She will pay it.
No problem. Any other one, then once I drop this one, I will come and carry this.
Okay, all right. I have it. I have it. If you want a bigger one. Hello, madam. Yes. My boy is coming to your house right now to deliver the bushmeat. Okay, no problem. Okay. Thank you very much. Nah. Onka Kito. Ewemia. Ma. I'm going to try on this one. Okay, yeah, I like this one. All your size. As big as you or as small as you. Everything is here, my brother.
You're really doing good for yourself.
My brother. It's the Lord's doing. We thank God. It's God. Thank you. All the shop. Yeah, I like it. Just 50,000.
Not too much. Can you go 40?
If it was good, I will give it to you.
Let's go make go for free.
Well, without 48.
Can you go 40?
My brother, it's the Lord's doing, and it's marvelous in our sight. As I'm talking to you, I get so many orders. Wow. So many orders online, online. And I have courier services that help me deliver them to my customers.
That's very innovative.
Hello, my caller. Come on, here, come this way. I have it. I have this. Yeah, right here. My brother.
And you know what? I'm not surprised because your bushmeat is very delicious.
Well, thank God.
Very soon you'll be shipping abroad.
So, by God's grace, by God's grace. You know the funny thing? I even have orders coming from abroad. A lot of them online. These people just want to bombard me with orders, but I don't have means to transfer the goods to them.
I can help you now. That's why I can always help you.
Arrange them, my brother. It's fine. Don't worry. Don't stress yourself. I'll handle it. You don't need to worry.
Nemeka!
Where is this boy? This is my customer. This my customer wanted to.
Ikedi. I can see you're getting ready.
My brother, I'm telling you.
I want to take a stroll to stretch my legs.
Okay.
Let me use the opportunity to see how the village is. You know, it's been a long time I came here.
It's true. No problem. You can go.
All right.
I'll be heading to the shop. So I have a lot of work today.
All right.
Be careful.
Take it easy, yeah?
No problem. That distance.
Hello. Good day. Are you not the girl who helped me with Ikedi's address?
Yes.
Ah.
I can see you're getting familiar with our village.
Well, the air is very fresh. Let me help you with that.
What? No.
What do you mean by no?
No! Really?
I can't just stand here and be chatting with you when you're carrying this heavy thing on your head.
Okay.
By the way, my name is Arinze. And I remember hearing your name to be Uloma, right?
You remembered?
Of course.
Okay.
It's only a senseless man that won't remember the name of a girl who has a very memorable face like yours.
Okay.
So, where are you headed to?
I'm going to the market.
The market?
Yes.
All right, I'll see you off there. Same way you helped me.
You would take this thing all the way to the market?
Weren't you going to do the same?
Okay. Okay.
So, Uloma, what do you do? Are you a student?
No. I would have loved to, but due to financial constraint, I stopped. If my father were alive now, I would have definitely been in school.
Oh, wow.
My father was the greatest hunter in this village.
That's good.
It's okay. It's alright. My mother always told me to always count my blessings. So, yes. Okay.
Your mother is a very wise woman.
She is.
True love,
So your sister is a lawyer?
Yes, she is.
Wow. I would have loved to study law. Or maybe in my next life.
Don't say that. It can still happen.
From selling egusi and peppers in the village markets.
Uloma. Never say never. You see, you're a very intelligent girl. You're smart and you're eloquent. And that will take you very far.
Okay.
Some people have money, but they don't have intelligence and they don't have passion. So in other words, your problem is half solved.
You always want to make me feel good.
Well, I'm just trying to be honest. You're very intelligent, and I am sure one day, very soon, it will take you far. So never you give up, okay? Always keep hope alive.
Okay.
But I'm sure this is not the first time you're hearing this.
Why did you study engineering?
I studied engineering so I could, take over my father's company.
Okay.
Yeah, he used to deal in spare parts before he started his own engine oil production company.
Oh, wow. He owns an engine oil company.
Yes, my father owns an engine oil company.
That's wonderful.
I was working there until what happened.
Yeah. I just pray you all get what belongs to you.
I pray so too. Honestly, I pray so. The sad thing is that instead of us to be mourning our father, look at me. I am hiding from hoodlums.
It's really sad. It's really sad. Sorry, yeah? Sorry.
Yeah.
Let's go. You'll be fine.
Nnemeka, you see this antelope? I need you to send it to my madam at Nza Street. Let me show you the address. Write it. This is the phone number, and this is the address. Look at it very well. And this one, where is it? Yes. You see that my big madam at Asaba? You have to. Uloma, I'm coming. Uloma. How are you?
I'm fine. How's business going?
Fine. We thank God. But Uloma, has it gotten to this point?
What happened?
Has it gotten to the point where you just walk past my shop without even saying hi?
Oh, sorry. My attention is divided. That woman that buys from us, she's waiting for me just down the road. I want to go and collect money from her.
Okay, but
she's just parked in front.
But at least next time when you're passing, even if it's hello!
Okay, no problem. Hello, bye.
Bye. Be safe, oh. Be safe, eh? Okay. Bye. Namde. So, as I was saying, this one, you know that my big madam that is staying in Asaba? This is where you send it to her. Look at her address here. You see? Isoko Drive. You send it there. So, Nka Kita. Emma, this guy, okay? Hey! Amandeo.
Hi. Ikedi.
Good afternoon.
Ikedi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Yeah,
Please
thank
sit
you.
down.
Okay.
Hey.
Thank you very much.
Ikedi, I'm happy for you. I heard that your business is booming.
Mama, it's booming. Oh. We thank the Lord. It's the Lord's doing.
Yes, sir.
And it is marvelous in our sight.
Hey.
Mama, my God, I don't waste time. I brought some bushmeats for you.
Ikedi.
Mama, I personally prepared this one myself. I took my time.
Hey.
You will love it.
Another one. Hey.
You know me now.
Ikedi, darling.
I don't disappoint.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's nothing.
Thank you.
Don't mention. Don't mention. It's fine.
Thank you so much. Hey. See meat. Thank you.
Ulo, is Ulo around?
I don't know. Uloma just came in from the market, dropped the bag, and disappeared.
I don't understand. Uloma just disappeared like that.
Just like that.
You mean Uloma just disappeared like that?
Just like that.
Mamamban. Mamamban. And I make one care, man. It's not right now. Uloma is not supposed to just disappear like that. A young woman like her, she just decide to disappear without letting you know. No, Mama, that's not right. It doesn't show that she's responsible now. Ban.
Ikedi, you know children of these days. You will talk and talk until your mouth here, they will not hear.
Even though that shouldn't be Uloma. Uloma should not be in that category. I don't expect her to behave like this. Since when did Uloma start acting so irresponsible? This is an irresponsible act, Mama.
You know Uloma is not irresponsible. Don't use that word for her.
Mama, I know. That's why I'm worried. I know she doesn't behave like this. That's why I'm worried. So it's better we start now and start correcting these mistakes so that she doesn't act like this next time. So what will happen is, before she goes out, when she comes back, you tell her that next time when she's going out, she should make sure she informs the both of us. You and I have to know. Okay. After all, we are family. We are one family. She can't just stay and disappear like that.
You are right, Ikedi. You are very, very, very right.
You know, from the first time I saw you, I knew there was something very special about you.
What would that be?
Well, you're beautiful, you're intelligent. I can't really place it on one thing though, because I can't tell if it's because you smile beautifully, or your eyes, or the way you walked. What? I loved everything. You're really special. Very special to me.
Why are you so humble?
How do you mean?
I mean, you're a graduate from one of the best universities. And I'm just a village girl that is not even one. And yet you relate to me like I'm your class.
Oh, please, stop this class thing. In fact, being with you is far more interesting than being with all those graduates. Because you're very intelligent. Very, very.
Okay.
And I love that. I'm really glad that I met you.
Me too.
I know you are always concerned about anything that has to do with Uloma.
Of course, are we not family?
And I'm not surprised. We are family. Since you guys grew up together, you were just 4 years older than her. And I know you have always loved her like...
Exactly! Mama, kita kibia, love. Always loved her. I have always loved her. So, Mama, you don't need to say anything. You just said the main point, which is love. So we have to look out for each other. Mama, it's fine. You've said the most important thing. I'm okay now. I can go. Oh yeah, this is Kanya for all. Okay. So when she comes, you tell her I came to ask of her. Love, very important.
Love.
You mean the world to me.
Hey. Love, Uloma.
You're the one that I want.
Okay.
No matter what I see.
Mama, good afternoon.
Uloma.
Ma?
Welcome. Come on, sit down. Sit.
Mama, you're still peeling beans.
Yes, so.
Bushmeat.
Ikedi was here.
He brought it, right?
Uloma.
Ma?
There's something you need to hear.
Okay.
Ikedi was here this afternoon. And I just found out.
What is it, Mama?
Ikedi has feelings for you. And it's obvious.
Mama, I don't understand. He treats me like his sister, that's all.
You are wrong, oh. I thought so too. You know, since his father and your father, they were best friends and great hunters. So I thought it was that relationship. Let me tell you, Ikedi is in love with you. And I saw it in his eyes this afternoon. The question now is, do you feel same for him?
No. Never. Absolutely not. I take Ikedi to be my elder brother. That's all.
Hey! I just pray this doesn't hurt him more.
Nah, he'll be fine.
Hey!
Ikedi will be okay.
Ikedi is in love with you. The way he spoke this afternoon.
Mama, he'll be fine.
Oh.
He's my brother. He'll be fine, Mama. Bring the beans, let me help you.
Go and drop the bushmeat first.
Okay.
Oh,
Ikedi will be fine.
Okay, if you say so, but...
Hi, Mama. He tied it very well. It's very big. Hey.
The same Ikedi you said you don't love her. Take it.
He's my brother.
I pray this thing doesn't put you in trouble. I'm going to be fast.
Okay, ma.
And come and carry these beans. Oh, sister.
Ulo. How are you?
I'm fine.
Uloma, it's been days since you last visited my shop. I could swear that you are avoiding me.
No, Ikedi. I've only been going to the market, that's all.
You've only been going to the market. Or you've been going to the market all those while when you were still visiting me. And what happened now?
Then I was still helping you to start up. Now that you can handle everything on your own, you don't need me.
It's true. I understand, sir. I understand. But listen. Listen to me. Can you hear me? There's something I would like to discuss with you and Mama. Okay. It's very, very important. I've been waiting for the right time to let you people know. And the thing is that...
Ikedi, there was something I was doing inside before you called me. Let me just check it.
But let me tell you what...
I'm coming. Let me just check it fast. I will see you later, eh?
No one else can do, 'cause I love you. Your love is the best.
It is obvious that Uloma is evasive of our conversations. I can swear that she's avoiding me. Not after all I've contributed to her family. No, it's not possible. It's not possible. We'll have to talk. I have to look for a way to talk to her. We have to talk about our marriage. It's high time we talked about our marriage. It's high time.
I'm yours alone. My love, true love. What we feel is true.
Uloma! Ulo!
Ikedi!
Mama!
Ikedi, Mokoma.
Mama, good afternoon, ma.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Please, is Uloma around?
Hey, Uloma is not around.
She's not around. Again? Where did she go to?
I don't know.
You don't... You're supposed to know where Uloma went to now, Mama.
Ikedi, Is everything all right?
Of course, everything is all right.
You are sure?
Very sure.
Can't Uloma go out again?
Yeah, Mama, it's not like she can't go out there. Of course, she can go out. Okay, there's no problem. There's no problem. I actually came to look for her. Since she's not around, I'll be on my way now. But when she comes, tell her I came and I will come back tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, early in the morning, to see her. Okay. Ngwan. Yeah, thank you, ma. Okay, bye-bye.
You mean the world to me.
Arinze, have you told Ikedi about us?
No, I haven't. But I'm planning on telling him tonight. I just wanted to be sure that you were in the same emotional space as I am before telling him.
Okay. Please don't tell him yet.
Why?
Don't worry, I'll tell you at the right time.
Okay. So how are you doing?
Fine. How are you?
I'm good.
Mama.
Uloma.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Come.
What is it, Mama?
It's about Ikedi. You need to have that talk with him once and for all. Make him know that you're not available for him.
Okay, Mama. I'll talk to him.
Okay. Please do.
Give me
Go and wash it.
Thank you.
Uloma, I'm so happy that we can finally sit down today and have this conversation.
We have to.
Yes.
Do you have cough?
No, it's just there. Yeah, my throat is itching a little, but it's fine. So the thing is, like I told your mother, I've told your mother that I've been nurturing you and waiting till you become a grown woman so that I can tell you this.
Okay.
Yes.
Should I get water?
No, don't need. The thing is, I've also been nurturing myself too. I've been waiting to grow into a man, a real man that can take care of certain responsibilities before I can tell you this too.
Ikedi, you're here to mention what you have in mind.
I'm coming now. Allow me to land because it's not something that they rush. You take it step by step. Uloma, I'm 25 years old now.
I know.
And I believe it's time to take the bold step. I have a thriving business. I'm doing well. And I believe I'm emotionally ready for this.
Okay.
So, like I said, I have to take the bold step and tell you this. The thing is...
Ikedi, talk now.
I want to marry you. Yes. I want to marry you. Yes.
Well...
Uloma, please. Please, don't say no. Please, don't say no. You're supposed to know by now. We've been preparing ourselves for today, for this day. You're supposed to understand. Don't say no, please.
How?
What do you mean how? What do you mean how now? What do you call all the bushmeat I've been bringing to you people? Do you think I go around sharing bushmeat to everyone in this village? Sometimes I bring one, sometimes I bring 2, 3. It's for a reason. You're supposed to know. And after all, we've been calling ourselves family. You're supposed to understand. You're supposed to understand the gestures by now. After all, you're still the one that helped me grow my business. No woman would just come and help a random man grow his business, except she has intentions of becoming his wife. So I believe you know this thing. You know too.
Ikedi, you thought wrong. Yes, Because I only helped you out as a friend, and I see you as my brother. That is all, nothing more. If I had sensed anything marriage coming along, I would have stopped it earlier. Believe me, there's nothing attached to it. You're just my brother.
No. It's not possible. Brother. Mua, your brother. No, I can't be your brother, no. But why? I'm your husband to be. I can't be your brother.
Ikedi, I have no feelings for you whatsoever.
Mba.
There's none.
Uloma, generate it. Ekuznefa. Uloma.
I'm doing something inside.
Let's
Let
talk.
me just go and
But we've not finished talking.
I will see you later.
Ulo, please.
Or not.
Ulo, wait. Uloma. Ulo.
You're the one that I want. No matter what I see, I'll be with you. Your love is so real. You mean the world to me. You're my dream come true. No matter what happens, I'm yours alone. My love, true love.
My love. I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting.
No, it is worth it.
Okay.
It is always worth it. So what are you doing?
Don't worry about it. It's nothing. Yes.
Please come and sit down. There's something I wanted to discuss with you.
Okay.
I think it's time for us to take our relationship to the next level.
Oh. Okay.
I would love to meet with your mother.
Okay. My love, I want you to understand that the village is not like the city, where you can introduce your boyfriend to your parents. Here, the suitor have to be ready for marriage. Only then can he be accepted to the family.
Oh, okay. Well, let's see how it goes. Yes, I just hope that we move past all these issues.
Yeah.
I pray we move past it. Yeah.
It's all right. You will.
My love.
Just like that. Why? After all my investments, after all my endeavors, is it that I'm not handsome enough or what? What is it exactly? Mba.
Have you heard from your mother?
Yes, I heard from them earlier today. The thing is that they filed a lawsuit against my uncles.
Oh.
Yeah.
I just hope the judiciary is able to do something.
I don't know. But I hope so too. I really hope so.
They will.
Because I've missed them. And I really can't wait to get back to them. Oh, no, my love. I don't mean it that way. Don't get me wrong. The thing is that I have missed them. Come on. I've missed them. I've missed my family. I want to go and see how they are doing and how things are going. To see my family again, at least.
Okay, oh, safe journey.
What is wrong with you? You're telling me. You know I can't leave you now. You're the love of my life. It's not possible to leave you.
The great hunter of our time. He carried the number one care.
Uloma, my love. You know, anytime I see your face, all the problems I have in this life that is weighing on my mind disappears.
My love.
My baby.
Have you heard from your mother and your family?
Uloma, you just asked me that question and I replied you.
Yeah. No. You must have slipped my mind.
You were. The truth is that there's some challenges though.
Oh.
There's not enough money to pay the lawyers.
Yeah.
Although my sister is a lawyer, but she's just assisting the counsel. Honestly, this whole problem has been very tiring, Uloma. It's been exhausting.
I can only imagine. My love, don't worry, yeah? Everything will be okay.
I hope so. But you know I'm fine already.
Oh, yeah?
Because every time I'm with you, I forget all my problems. I told you that. You are the shining light in my life. So yeah, that's the question. Look at you. Hey. My love.
It's okay.
I am. My beautiful bride.
Yes.
It's a lie. What in God's name am I seeing here?
Brother, I've been wanting to tell you this, but I've been waiting for the right time. The thing is that Uloma and I, we are a little more than friends. And we are planning...
Shut up there! Shut up! Uloma. How could you do this to me, Uloma? After all I've done for you and your family, this is what I get in return. Uloma! Huh? So you just jump on the next man you see that came from the city, eh? So this is the reason you fell out of love with me, Uloma.
What is going on here?
Ikedi, stop being paranoid. We've never dated, never.
Uloma, we never dated. So what do you call all the years you came to my house? All the years we spent together, what do you call it? Huh? What do you call that?
Uloma, is this true?
Of course not. I have never lied to you, never. All I told you was true.
Arinze, you better shut up that your mouth before I do it. Arinze, there are 1 million women in this village. There are more than 1 million women in this village that you can be with. Yet you chose to be with my woman.
I am not your woman, Ikedi. We are just friends. I take you as my brother. What is it? Arinze, please, let's go. I don't understand this your cousin anymore.
Brother, we'll talk about this later.
We'll talk about it.
We will talk, eh?
Mama, come back here.
Just calm down, please, calm down. We'll talk about it.
Come back here.
What is going on?
Ikedi, you not allow somebody to rest. Every time you be swinging cutlass. Go to the bush and catch meat.
Where is she? Uloma! Where is that loose girl? Uloma! Ulo!
Ikedi, hope everything is alright.
So, because my cousin is a sissy boy, that's why Uloma stupidly went and fell in love with him. Eh? Because he came from the city. Somebody I can employ you. That's who Uloma went to fall in love with, right?
Ikedi, calm down. Ikedi, calm down. Let us not blow this out of proportion. You see, the only problem I see here is that Uloma doesn't see you same way.
Forget that thing. How does she see me? Eh? How does she see me? I'm asking you. Does she see me like Osisi Kanku or what?
Hey!
Eh? Even a blind man would have understood what I've been doing all along. You're trying to tell me that as intelligent as Uloma is, she does not understand all my intentions and all the small gestures I've been doing. Do you think I go around sharing bushmeat to every girl I see in this village? Or Makanambu bushmeat Santa Claus? I am not bushmeat for the Christmas, so I am not.
Ikedi, bring down your voice. You're shouting.
I will shout. I will not bring down my voice. What are you telling me bring down my voice for? Do you think it's easy to nurture a woman, to nurture somebody till she becomes a grown woman, and then she will just go and carelessly fall in love with somebody because he came from the city, because he's a graduate? See, let me tell you, They don't have anything, no. Nothing. His father's family has collected everything. They've taken everything from them. Like this, if I ask him to work for me, he will happily work for me and become my boy. Is that who Uloma wants to be with? Huh?
Ikedi, please calm down. I understand how you feel. But I'm not the one that has the answer you are looking for. I suggest you speak with Unoma.
Talk to your daughter. Talk to your daughter. You better talk some senses into her brain. Talk to her. I'm gone.
Hey, I said it. I told you, Norma, it will come to this.
You're the one that I want. No matter what I see, I'll be with you. Your love is so real. You mean the world to me. You're my dream come true. No matter what.
Brother, I've been waiting for you to come back so we can talk man to man.
Thunder that fire again, eh? The kind of thunder that will fire you. If you call me brother again, if you open your mouth and call me brother again, who is your brother? Eh? Who is your brother? Eh? Everything was going so well between Uloma and I before you carried this your two left leg to this village. In Apom brother, you're calling me your brother, eh?
Hi, Ikedi, I spoke to Uloma and she told me that you both have never dated. That she has always seen you as her elder brother.
Thunder fire, brother. For my brother. You know who is doing brother? Who is doing brother with Uloma? Eh? Do you know how far Uloma and I has come? Do you know how far Uloma and I has come? Everything I have done so far was planned, was arranged with Uloma in my mind. I even took a risk in my business just so that I could settle in with Uloma before one idiot come and claim her. All for you to come to this village and scatter my plans. Now she has fallen for you. She has fallen for you and she doesn't like me anymore. And you're calling me brother. Take your time. If you call me brother again, I will use this thing and in a bomb brother. Nonsense.
Ikedi, let us talk now. Let us talk like family members now. Ikedi. Hi. Which kind of wahala be this one? What is all this? Huh? Ikedi, Manne, you're back. How was work today?
Mama, please. Mama, Biko. Remember we were one very big family. Before that idiot, before that human being I call my cousin came into the picture and spoiled everything. Please, talk to Uloma for me. Biko. Yeah?
Ikedi, honestly, I can't talk to Uloma. You have to talk to her yourself.
Mama, I've tried. I have tried everything within my power to talk to her. I have called her, I have begged her, I've explained myself to her. But Uloma remains adamant to my feelings.
Ikedi, but you won't blame her. You never mentioned anything to anyone. Now she told me she doesn't have feelings for you. Ikedi, you know you can't force love. Please let this thing be.
I can't force love, right? Mban, I can't force love now, but she can fall in love with my cousin, eh? Okay?
Ikedi, I just heard about that one. I just learned about that issue. Look, Ikedi, you are a handsome man. You are intelligent. You are hardworking. Just let this Uloma thing be, and God will give you your own love.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that rubbish. Eh? You people think it's easy to nurture a woman for over how many years and just let another man snatch her away from me just like that? Eh?
But Nobody asked you not to say anything all this while.
When would I have said something? Was it when I was 21 years and she was 17? Eh? When would I have said so? If I had said something then now, you people will say, I'm this, I am that. After all, my father just died and I had to bury him. And after burying him, I had to take over the hunting business so that I can take care of myself. Is this when I'm still struggling, looking for how to feed myself and look after myself? Was that when I'll come and, is that when I'll come and start proposing marriage to Uloma? Huh? That was why I was coming with the bushmeats, expecting you to understand what I was doing. Please, don't talk to me like I'm stupid because you have seen a city boy.
Ikedi, calm down. Eh? Calm down. I have heard you and I understand you completely. But you see, as an elder, I know that one-sided love kills. Please let Uloma be. Try to understand. In due time, God will give you your own love.
I have suffered. So this is all you have to say.
Can I say?
So this is all you have to say concerning this issue, right? No problem. Ngwa, I need you to calculate everything I've done for you people for the past 4 years. Calculate everything and hand it over to me. Fast!
Ikedi, what has come over you?
Everything has come over me. Everything has come over me. You people have made me mad. I am so mad right now. Listen to me. I will go back to my house. But I will come back this evening. And when I'm coming back, I will come with my own calculations. And I expect you to have your own calculations in your hand. Because I will collect everything. And I will not remain one. Everything. Did you hear me? Rubbish.
Ha! Lekwam, Leikedi, Lekwan Sobu. Ha! Oh!
Ikedi! Is he not back? But he's back now. Look at his hat and his sack and his cutlass. Ikedi! Ikedi! Ikedi, open the door! Ikedi! 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 Why is the door locked now? Ikedi, you startled me.
You startled me. Yes, I startled you. That is how thieves behave when they are being caught in the act. Arinze, you should never have come to this village. You made a very big mistake.
Would you have preferred that I was killed by my uncles?
You see, I did not wake up this early morning to start answering stupid questions. In case you've forgotten, some of us actually have real jobs that we do for a living. I don't think you know about that. All you know how to do is sleep from morning to night and follow Uloma up and down in this village. It's fine. You can do you while I do me. Huh? So, let me go and make money. Real money. Real money to pay bills and take care of my responsibilities. While you follow Uloma and be doing lovey up and down. Anumpama.
Where is he? I thought you said he was here.
Where's this guy? But I thought this guy told us that the guy will meet him here.
That's what you say now. Where is he?
Let it not be that this guy is toying with us.
Oh, what kind of nonsense is this? Where is he? Where did he enter?
What's going on?
Have you killed him?
You're asking us what's going on. I thought you said that we are going to meet him here.
He was here.
Then where is he?
Shh, reduce your voice. You mean you've not killed him yet? Listen, come. Check around, check everywhere. Make sure you find him. And once you find him, make sure you kill him. Remember, leave no traces. You go this way, you go this way. Check.
Unoma, Ma, what is it? Your face?
Mama, I can't find Arinze.
Huh? What do you mean by you can't find Arinze? Is he not supposed to be at Ikede's house?
I don't want to check there. We were supposed to meet 2 days ago under the tree. But he didn't show up. I just hope he's alright.
This is strange, At least even if Ikedi chased him away, he's supposed to come here at least to tell you before leaving.
Maybe I should just check at Ikedi's house.
You think it's a good idea?
Let me go and check there first.
All right.
Okay.
Hey,
Mama, we'll see you later.
All right.
Be careful.
Okay, ma.
Oh.
Jesus.
Ikedi.
Uloma. How are you?
I'm not fine.
Yeah.
Please, is Arinze inside? I haven't seen him in a couple of days now. Is he sick? Is he okay?
Uloma. I tried to tell you. I tried to warn you. But you didn't listen to me.
What do you mean by that?
Ah! Well, Mama, listen, let me tell you something. You see, Arinze is my cousin. I've known him longer than you. I've heard his stories. He has always been a ladies' man, and he will always be a ladies' man. Beginning. See, let me just tell you as it is. He has gone back to Aba. Yes, because his family issues has been resolved. Yes, so he has gone.
How can he leave without telling me?
Wonderful. So Uloma, you actually thought, you thought inside your heart, that's you thought that you guys had a thing, or he had a thing for you. Uloma, let me tell you something. You were just a toy that he was playing with. Yes, you're looking at me. You were just a toy that he was using to do like this. And he has a lot of beautiful girls in Aba. I tried to warn you, but you refused to listen. You left EKD. You left me and followed a playboy, city boy, because he came from a city. But city boy has gone back to the city now. It is well. You'll be fine. Even when I get everything will be okay. You guys don't listen. You don't listen. It's okay. I'm going to my shop now. When you're done, you know the way out. You see Eba, you put on a bus stop, then you go down. Greet your mother for me, okay? Are you still there?
You're the one that I want. No matter what I see, I'll be with you. Your love is
Noma, I didn't see this coming at all.
Neither, Mama, I didn't, honestly.
Hi. Stop crying, my child. Stop crying. Have you at least called his number?
I'm going through, Mama. It's not connecting. I tried.
This is strange, oh. Even if Ikedi chased him away, at least he would have come here to tell you before leaving.
Mama, I asked him from the very onset. I asked him. But he said no. He promised like nothing like this will happen, and look at me now. He left without even saying a word to me.
God. It's enough. It's enough. Men will never change. That's okay.
Mama has left me.
You'll be fine. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying over me. You'll be fine.
I loved him. I loved him, Mama.
Please stop crying.
Mama.
Hi.
Ulo.
You're my dream come true. No matter what happens, I'm yours alone.
Mama, be cool. Mama, I'm so sorry. I am very, very, very sorry. I'm sorry for how I acted the other day. All the things I said. It's not my doing. It's the devil's work. It's the handwork of the devil, Mama. Be cool. Forgive me. I'm sorry. Please, man.
Ikedi. Ikedi, you said a lot. Ikedi, you said a lot. I didn't even believe those things you were spitting out came from you.
Mama.
Makagini. For what?
Even me, I am shocked. I can't even believe I can open this my mouth to say those very shameful things. It's not me. Mama, you see, the person that was saying those things that day is a person that was hurt. And I was pained. I wasn't even thinking straight. In fact, I wasn't even thinking at all. My mind was not there. Mama Biko.
Mbamba, Ikedi. Billionaire, stand up, please. Stand up, please.
I should stand.
Stand up.
It's not me. It's not me.
Ikedi. If not because of the bond that we have shared as friends and family, well, let me just forgive you and let this slide.
Mama, thank you, man. Thank you. It will not happen again, Mama, because
this matter is between you and Uloma. Let me call her if she will agree to come out.
Oh, Ulo, Biko, forgive me.
Uloma.
The devil. Uloma, mo.
No matter what I see, I'll be with you. Your love is so real. You mean the world to me.
Uloma. Please. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, because I didn't mean anything I said. Please forgive me. Ulo, please now. But you see, everything I was telling you, you see that I was right. I only meant well for you, but you didn't listen to me. I told you all that glitters are not gold. You went to fall for city boy. Now where is the city boy? He has gone back to the city. It's not my fault. It's not my doing. But look at me. I'm still here for you, by your side. Ulo, right from the very first day, I've loved you. I can do anything to take care of you. I will always treat you like a princess. I've always treated you like a princess. I will forever treat you like my queen. Ulo Biko.
Ikedi.
Mommy.
I am still not willing to give us a chance.
Hi.
It's not possible. Why don't you just respect my decision? Hi. The fact that your cousin broke my heart doesn't mean I will automatically be with you. It's not possible.
Hi. Ulo, mama. Ulo, Biko. Ulo, my love. Hey, Ulo, see. I know that everything you're saying now, I know you don't mean it. I know that you just need time. I know deep down in your heart, you love me. I know you love me. Even if it's a one thing like this, you love me, but you don't. Now, I know now you're angry, you're hot and everything. There's no problem. Let's give it time. Let's give it a little time. Because don't jump into conclusion now. Ulo, I promise you, Makachi Binenigwe, I will never, ever say anything to hurt you. I will never hurt your feelings. Ulo, Biko, my love. I love you. Biko.
Kedi, leave me alone.
Your love is the best. You mean the world to me. You're the one that I want.
Uloma, my love. You know, anytime I see your face, all the problems I have in this life that is weighing on my mind disappears.
My love.
My baby.
Have you heard from your mother?
Yes, I heard from them earlier today. The thing is that they filed a lawsuit against my uncles.
Oh.
Yeah.
I just hope the judiciary is able to do something.
I don't know. But I hope so too. I really hope so.
They will.
Because I've missed them. And I really can't wait to get back to them. Oh, no, my love. I don't mean it that way. Don't get me wrong, The thing is that I have missed them. Come on. I've missed them. I've missed my family. I want to go and see how they are doing and how things are going. To see my family again, at least.
Okay, safe journey.
What is wrong with you? You're telling me. You know I can't leave you now. You're the love of my life. It's not possible to leave you.
You're my dream come true. No matter
Noma.
Mama.
It's okay. I have enough.
No, Mama, let me break some more.
That's enough. It's okay. Eh? Look, Noma, the ones you broke yesterday, I won't even finish them in 1 month. Look, I know that house chores is a way of dealing with what you're going through. But I beg you in God's name. I beg you, Noma. Just forget about Arinze and move on. It's obvious what Iked is saying about him is true. He only used you to pass time in this village and distract himself. Biko, I beg you.
Mama.
It's love. It's love.
Mama.
What is it?
I always tell you, let's take these things for Millie, no.
Mean what?
It's faster.
Why? You don't know some people like a hand peel.
Mama, how will they know?
They will know. Hold this thing, I'm coming.
Okay.
Oh, sure.
Okay, ma. Every time.
Uloma, my love, you have no idea how much I have missed you.
Oh, please. What have you come here to do again? Oh, are you bored with all your city girls? Yes. Your cousin Ikedi told me. He told me how you keep changing women like clothes. That you are a big humanizer. No wonder I fell in love with you.
Yes. Is that what Ikedi told you?
Yes, are you
arguing? Is that what he told you?
Are you denying that fact? Ikedi told me everything.
That is what he told you?
Exactly.
Oh my goodness.
Your cousin cannot lie. Ikedi said, Ikedi, come and tell him what you told me. Come and say it to him. How is a big womanizer? Tell him.
Ikedi, how could you do this to me? How could you do this to your own blood? Your own flesh and blood?
Shut up your mouth there. Shut up your mouth. I enter them, my flesh and that. Why won't I do it to you? Arinze, you came to me for help. I helped you as my blood. I accommodated you. I gave you my clothes. I gave you my own food. And what do I get in return? You go behind me and start messing around with my woman, right? I'm asking you a question, right? Okay?
What's happening?
You're asking what's happening. You're asking what's happening.
You are very heartless, Ikedi. You are very, very heartless. A complete betrayal, that is what you are.
Leave it for me like that. Leave it for me like that. You see all this nonsense Cinderella love story that you guys are doing. As for you and this, your criminal of a mother.
Criminal.
Criminal. After all my investments, after all my bushmeat, I gave you and your mother. I was bringing bushmeat to you and you took me for the bushmeat, okay? There's no problem. Bushmeat I would have been selling and been making money. I brought it and I was giving it to you and your mother. Okay? Don't worry. You see that bushmeat, eh? That bushmeat you've been eating. It will turn your stomach. You will be going to toilet from morning to morning. Yeah, you go there and shit. You will poo-poo and poo-poo and poo-poo till you cannot poo-poo anymore. Don't worry.
It will not happen.
You will poo-poo and poo-poo and poo-poo until you get
Amen.
From here.
Did we beg you for bushmeat?
Waste of investment. Idiots.
Do you know what he did to me?
What happened? What did
Do you know he actually sent thugs to come and kidnap me from his house?
Hi!
Can you imagine that?
It's a lie.
After what I was going through.
Hey! Ikedi!
What a world. What a very wicked world.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know. Sorry.
It's fine. It's okay, Mama.
How is it?
Yes.
Hi.
It is good to meet you, Mama.
Same here. You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Mama.
Sit down.
No, Mama. There's no need for that. I have something very important to tell her.
Okay.
Loma, the love of my life. I have good news.
What is it?
The thing is, we have succeeded. We have recovered my father's belongings.
That is wonderful.
And we've been able to lay him to ground successfully and very peacefully.
Yeah, may he rest well.
Amen. And Mama, your daughter, I love her so much. She means the world to me. I cannot imagine my life without her. I want to personally sponsor her education until she becomes a graduate.
Mama,
Yes, Mama.
Mama, are you going to be a lawyer?
Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama.
Thank you.
I would do anything for her.
Thank you. Thank you.
I love you.
Thank you so much.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
I love you.
Why you know?
Thank you, Mama.
Thank God. Your love is the best. You mean the world to me. You're the one that I want. No matter what I see, I'll be with you. Your love is so real. You mean the world to me. You're my dream come true.